भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है रोरो
ए हीरो
है रोरो तेरी मेरी जोड़ी है बड़ी परफेक्ट ना कोई प्रॉब्लम ना कोई डिफेक्ट
2 और 2 हम 5 करेंगे चलो 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 खुराफात करेंगे
रो माना कि तू बड़ा है स्मार्ट पर हर शैतानी में तेरा ही हाथ
प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ाने में तू बिल्कुल हीरो है पर टेंशन में है थ्रिल
फन भी तो ढेरों है मैं स्मार्ट हूँ और क्यूट हूँ मैं भूत हूँ मजबूत हूँ चलो मिलके करें सारी मुश्किलों को पास भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त
Careful, students. The paper has to be blue as the sky. Did you get it or not?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Huh? Oh, no, dear. This is black in
Yes,
color.
ma'am. It's the night sky color that I have made.
Students, all of you have to make the litmus paper sky blue in color. Did you get it or not?
But ma'am, you haven't given us any colors. So how do we change the color?
No, dear. You don't have to paint. You need to experiment and change the color. Did you get it?
Ma'am, just check this out. I have made it so blue that even the blue whale will come to borrow the color.
Good boy. You can go now. Rest of the students can also finish their experiment and go to play. Did you get it or not?
Come on, come on, come on. Hey, not green. This had to turn blue.
Roro dear, don't you think this looks more like a traffic signal?
We are done with our experiment. Now let's help Roro.
No helping each other. If you are done with your experiment, come on, leave the room. Come on, go.
This is so weird. I feel so good when I'm all alone at home. And now I'm feeling so sad being left alone in the class.
Roro, hurry up with your experiment. I will be back from the staff room in a few minutes, okay?
My friends Neil and Nia are also not here. Who will help me now?
Tension zero. Here comes Hero. How are you, my friend?
Hero, look at this. Even after trying so many times, the paper is not turning blue.
Oh, it's simple. Not just blue. I can turn this paper into green, orange, purple, red, or any color.
But how?
Well, my friend, all you need is a bit of professional methods.
Tell me.
Take a litmus paper and give 2 punches, and then kick it twice. And with the swelling, you'll see it will turn blue.
I am in no mood for your jokes today, Hero. You should help me right now.
Oh, Roro, don't you worry.
Huh?
Come on, pass on the blue solution. And now the green one. A bit of yellow as well.
Hero, are you making a solution here or are you making a rainbow?
Patience, Roro, my boy. Wait and watch how quickly I make the solution.
Hero, you've created pollution instead of making a solution.
Let me pour some water in it.
Are we making porridge out here that you will add some water?
Then let me put this orange juice.
This is not orange juice, it's acid. Hero, look at this.
Oh, now with this experiment, I have become blind as bat. I am not able to see even my own shadow. This is not acceptable at all.
Where is the smell coming from, Roro?
Well, ma'am, actually, I had worn a perfume, but I think it's expired.
But What about this smoke?
Ma'am, I think there are clouds in the sky. So, I think the clouds have flown inside.
You finish your experiment quickly.
Roro, I have another fantastic plan. I can make everything roll. Come to me, my special magical ball. Yeah!
Oh no! Hero, even the skeleton has woken up because of your antics. Hey, what are you thinking of?
The skeletons are so lucky, Roro, that they don't have to worry about skin tanning or anything. That's because they don't have skin.
Stop joking now and keep it back the way it was. If teacher comes to know about this, I'll get punished for sure.
Right away.
Hero, we have landed in a trouble now. You had to keep the skeleton in control, but now everything has gone out of control. Oh no! You have changed the entire geography of the chemistry lab. Now do something.
Here it is.
What? Where is the teacher?
Not your teacher. But I have got another idea.
Oh, I got scared.
Here she is. Here she is. Here she is.
Okay, but why are you repeating it?
Roro, this time I'm talking about your teacher.
What? Teacher is here? How do you know?
Because I'm a ghost, you see.
Okay, but if teacher comes here, we shall get into a big trouble. What do I do? What do I do? Yes, before she comes into the lab, I have to stall her outside. But Hero, you have to sort everything here, okay? I'll be right back. Huh?
Roro, what are you doing here?
Well, yes, I had gone to see the color of the sky so that I can match my litmus paper with it.
Okay, good. The principal has called me for 5 minutes. I shall be back soon.
Okay, ma'am. Hey, Hero, stop him!
Oh, he's running like wind. And now I'm tired. He is moving towards the door.
I'm sure he was a pilot in his last berth. That's why he's flying non-stop.
Oh, Roro, I'm so exhausted right now. This is not good at all. I think Roro is still inside. Let's go and have a little fun with him. Vicky's attack always makes a crack.
Welcome, my friend. Why is this uncle so thin?
Dad, it is Skeleton Silly.
Hero, Vicky and his gang has seen everything. We have to quickly sort this out.
Roro, now just wait and watch. Bro, please listen to me. Please leave me now. I beg of you.
Okay, you want me to leave you?
If he leaves you, you will bump on the floor.
No. Please don't leave me.
But if he doesn't leave you, then you will spin and fall. Oh God, why so confused?
Did you see? Vicky was flying just like a kite in the air. That too without the strings. Now let us inform this to principal. Nacho, Taco, let's go.
Hero, they are about to go and tell the principal about everything. You have to sort this out.
Chill and relax. Tell me, did you have fun or not?
Hey, forget about all that. The skeleton and the broom are heading towards the door. Please stop them. You can't go from here.
Why? The road is rocky or what?
Now I have to teach him a lesson by becoming just like him.
He's not getting affected by anything. Hero, do something.
Miss, we just saw Roro playing with a flying skeleton and broom in the lab.
What? I had asked Roro to finish the experiment and not focus on his enjoyment. Anyway, let's go.
Let me accompany you, Miss Bindu. Seems very serious matter.
Enough! Now stop all this or else you will see.
Huh? Roro, what are you doing with the skeleton there?
Sorry, ma'am. I was feeling lonely and bored, so I wanted some company for myself. So I picked up the skeleton to talk to me.
This is such a perfect light blue color. Oh wow, how did you make this?
How did I do? How did I get the perfect color?
This is exactly what I'm asking.
Well, ma'am, I practiced a lot, right? And anyway, practice makes a man perfect.
I'm very proud of you, Roro. All of you all, see and learn from Roro.
I always work hard and you take all the appreciation.
Don't worry. I'll buy you an ice cream after the class, okay?
Wow, Roro. No matter you took extra time, but you proved that slow and steady win the race. I'm very happy with you, Roro.
No, but ma'am, what was he doing with the skeleton?
What are you talking? Huh? What about the skeleton? As if it was flying in the air.
Students like you will bring glory to the school, my child. And Vicky, I want to see you out. Now you have to blow all the balloons. But you are not allowed to use your mouth to blow them.
Ma'am, but now Vicky has fallen on his own pit which he created for Roro.
Come on, hero, let's go from here. Finding blue color for the litmus test has left our life colorless.
Well, today's experiment has made me a scientist, I feel. See, I'll show you my experiment. Let's put some oil, now some chemical, a bit of lotion, and finally some butter. Oh, looks like this is out of proportion.
Look, if you don't know something, doing it will land you in trouble. So don't be over smart. Go school.
Wonderful!
भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त हे रोरो
ए हीरो
हे रोरो तेरी मेरी जोड़ी है बड़ी परफेक्ट ना कोई प्रॉब्लम ना कोई डिफेक्ट
2 और 2 हम 5 करेंगे चलो 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 खुराफात करेंगे
रो माना कि तू बड़ा है स्मार्ट पर हर शैतानी में तेरा ही हाथ
प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ाने में तू बिल्कुल हीरो है पर टेंशन में है थ्रिल
फन भी तो ढेरों है मैं स्मार्ट हूँ और क्यूट हूँ मैं भूत हूँ मजबूत हूँ चलो मिलके करें सारी मुश्किलों को पास भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त
Like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from Kupari.